Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Goddess Provisions, one of my favorite subscription boxes. So Goddess Provisions is a spiritual subscription and there's a theme every month. It costs $33 and I highly recommend this box. This is kindly sent to me free for review. I'm not sponsored. And I think it's great because with a lot of like the witchy spiritual boxes, they can be kind of expensive, and plus the stuff is like, you know, it's okay, but the stuff in God's Provisions is always so well curated, so amazing, and it's affordable too. And they plant a tree for every box purchase. They also have a shop and a blog, so I will link them down below. They're all cruelty-free, sustainable. I did peek last night when I got this in the mail. I didn't open everything, but I saw some things in here that I am so excited about. I was hoping it would show up. But right on top, I got a little, I think it's a $10 gift card, which is super sweet. It says, "You're a goddess. Through your dedication to taking incredible care of your mind, body, and spirit, community, and planet, you have officially earned yourself the title of goddess." I love that. So that's sweet. They added that in there. And then when you open it up, this is what it looks like. They always have some beautiful art print that holds all the information on the items inside. So there's a little sneak peek. You can probably tell there's like a deck in there, and of course that's what I'm excited about. But it says, "I connect to the magic within." This is so pretty. So what I usually do after I like read about all the products and get to use them a little bit more, I will cut this off and I will hang this up somewhere, because especially this one, this is really pretty. And a lot of them have like a purplish theme. And the theme of this box is Spirit Allies, which happens to be the name of a deck that's in here. So the creators of Goddess Provisions, they've come out with at least one other deck. I have the Sacred Cycles deck. So I saw online, I have another channel, Kitty Outside the Box, which I think a lot of you guys know, but if you're new here or you haven't heard, I do have a tarot channel. Primarily, like spiritual, mostly tarot, Kitty Outside the Box. And I follow a lot of tarot channels on that one, and I've seen unboxings of this, and it looks so good. And I was like, please be in Goddess Provisions. It came out a few months ago, and it wasn't in that box, or the past two boxes. I don't know. It's probably been 2 or 3 months it's been out. And I was like, oh, it's okay. You know, decks are expensive. Maybe it won't be in a Goddess Provisions. Totally understandable. But it's in this box. Maybe they're just waiting for the perfect theme. Sorry, it says someone's at my door. I'm just gonna, not like you guys could see the notification, but it was bothering me. So yeah, let's start with that. So they must have been waiting for the perfect moment. So we have a deck here. So I'm gonna do a full deck flip through on Kitty Outside the Box. I will link that video down in the description. I'll post both the videos at the same time. So if you're interested in a full walkthrough, but this is what the box looks like. Let's get the plastic off. So Spirit Allies, oh, so pretty, by Jill Pyle, sorry, and Sydney Becker, illustrated by J.K. And it's a 60 card deck and guidebook. Oh, hi, Emmy. Emmy might be joining us. Come here, babe. Connect with your spirit allies. When you're in need of guidance, look to your spirit allies for support. Their messages arrive in many forms, be it as plants, animals, crystals, goddess, archetypal energies, or cosmic forces. They're ever present and ready to connect with you in the 60-card oracle deck, as well as through daily signs and synchronicities. So this has a retail value of $24.99 US dollars. So it's like almost, you know, that's most of the cost of this box. And it says, "Ask and you shall receive" on one side. I love that. Especially today, Gemini full moon energy. Your words are powerful always, but today especially pay attention. You are always guided. So pretty. So there is a guidebook here. Love that. And it looks like they show a picture of the card and has a description for each one. It has journal prompts as well. Love that. So let's get this off. Ooh, it's gilded. So this is what the backs look like. And look, it's silver gilding. I like the silver. Nice. Ooh, the cardstock seems pretty good. A little thin, but that's good for shuffling. So I'll just kind of show a few random cards here. Again, if you want to see a full flip through, then check out the link below. So it looks like we have some goddesses here, and then crystals, animals, and then some astrology. Yeah, we have the zodiac signs as well. there's plants in somewhere in here too. I'm really excited about this. Like I said, I've seen some deck flip throughs already in the past a month or so ago, and I loved it. So now I have it, and I'm so excited. Oh, I just like made my day. But yeah, we'll get into that more later. Let's get in to the next item. Okay. Let's do. I think this is an ornament. So cute. Oh my god, I have this teeny little tree. It's a little spruce. I call him Spruce Springsteen. Maybe I'll throw a pic in. It's so tiny. It's so cute though. And I'm gonna put this on. This is like gonna be half the size. But look at this. How cute is this? Divine Guidance Planchette. Was that how you say that word? Planchette? Oh yeah, like the little thing you use in a Ouija. Ornament. Commonly associated with the Ouija board, the planchette is a tool that can be used to find the answers you seek. Hang this on a tree, in your window, or on a doorknob to remind yourself that the answers are always within reach. This is a $14 value. This is super cute. This is by Goddess Provisions. 100% viscose. And then, so every month we do get a crystal, and it looks like this month the crystal is on a necklace. The Moon Magic Crystal, and it says a little affirmation on here. I love that. My divine path is illuminated. So this Moon Magic necklace has a $38 value by Hiochi Jewels in partnership with Goddess Provisions, it looks like. Oops, sorry. Clear your chakras and help remove energetic blockages with this clear quartz necklace. Wear this when you're seeking clarity or connection to your spirituality. And there is a code on here to save 20% off, Goddess at hiachijewels.com, which is nice. And that talks more about clear quartz, which is a great one. Sorry, I have like a cat hair or something on my nose. It itches. The clear quartz on your necklace is known as one of the master healer crystals. Wearing this stone can help you connect with your psychic abilities and amplify the properties of any stones you're working with. Nice. I love this. Let me put this on. And does it say how long it is? It is adjustable, which is nice. And then we have, looks like 2 more items. A little pouch. Oh, Emmy will probably come to that sound. I see her ears are perking up. Oh, cute. I couldn't tell if there's anything on there. There definitely is. Oh, and look at the zipper. So this is a Celestial Moon coin purse, $11 value. This vegan leather coin purse is a perfect holder for your loose change or to keep your crystals, money, and other valuables from disappearing into the depths of your bag. I was thinking crystals. I bring crystals around with me all the time. I have like, how many do I have in my pocket right now? I have 4 here, I think. But I was thinking that would be a good idea for my purse because I do usually keep them like in the side zipper thing, but this is much better. Love this. So cute. And then we have one more item here. Oh, is this to hold cards? Yes, awesome. Can use this with the new deck. Or like with my cards of the day or card. Cosmic Serpent Oracle card holder, $18 value. I love this. It's a good size too. You can do like 1 large Oracle card or like standard size. You can fit 2 in there, it looks like. And it's beautiful. Embrace your routine and display your daily oracle pulls with this mystical card holder. Inspired by our serpent guides, remember the power of transformation each time you lay out a card. I love that. Okay, so I really love this month. I love every month, honestly. I've never been disappointed by Goddess Provisions. And if you guys want to see, I play this with a bunch of unboxings. But I freaking love tarot. I love oracle decks. So, I mean, of course, I have like a whole channel. Like, I just love it. So getting it in a box, I have to say like the deck and having this oracle card holder, I really love too. These are like my definite favorites in the box. But I like everything. And I love, you know, I mentioned they have a shop. I'm excited to go see what they have there. They have some good stuff. And they'll have some items from past boxes. If you missed out on it and you really wanted something, you can get them there. But like with the subscription, you usually, you know, get a discount. Well, you definitely get a discount on all the items. If you pay $33, you get, should I do some math? Let's just do some. You get at least, let's just say, from what you spend, which is awesome. So, but yeah, if you just want like one things or a few things, they have like decks and crystals. Here's Emmy. We might have to take something out. I just tried to show Emmy, but I accidentally gave my address away because the box. Say hi. No. She doesn't like the light, but anyways, that's it for today, guys. Let me know what you thought. Again, I will link God's Provisions down below if you're interested in subscribing or gifting it this holiday season to someone. Thank you all for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I hope you're well. I love you so much. Bye.